Let's say this clearly. Hustle works. It builds careers. It creates momentum. It helps people survive hard seasons. If pressure is constant, your body adapts. The problem isn't that hustle doesn't work. The problem is that it stops working. Hustle is a survival strategy. It's what you use when resources are limited, stakes are high, and you don't yet have internal stability. In that phase, pressure sharpens you. But pressure creates function. It's not meant to be permanent. What saves you earlier eventually costs you later. At the Marine Corps recruit depots in Paris Island in San Diego, recruits run on force, volume, speed, external control. Seasoned Marines in the Fleet Marine Force don't. They move slower, speak less, waste nothing. That's not laziness, that's mastery. I saw this again years later in a high-stakes meeting full of attorneys. Multiple voices, every point urgent. Then someone asked calmly, what decision actually needs to be made today? Silence. The room steady. The problem clarified. No theatrics, no dominance, just precision. Calm doesn't compete, it directs. Here's how you know you've outgrown hustle. You're still capable, but everything feels heavier. You need more effort for the same result. Rest feels unsafe, and clarity disappears the moment you stop pushing. That's not failure, that's a ceiling. Your nervous system has been carrying the load alone. No containment, no regulation, just force. Eventually, the system protects itself. Motivation drops, energy dips, focus scatters. That's because hustle is force, regulation is containment, and force is expensive. This is where people misread each other. That tightening, that's not personality, that's protection. Sometimes it's a color collision in the room, not a character flaw. Not you are green, more like green energy is showing up, optimizing for stability. Red energy might be optimizing for results. Blue energy, optimizing for connection. Keep it simple. Energy points to a need. Here's a repair line you can steal. I hear you're red. You're optimizing for results. Give me the outcome in one sentence. Quick question. If hustle stopped working tomorrow, what would you have left? No judgment, just honesty. This is where most people panic. They try to hustle harder, but the next phase isn't more effort, it's regulation, internal order, stability, capacity. This is where leadership stops being loud and starts being steady. Hustle didn't fail you. It did its job, but you're not meant to live there. Next week, we enter phase 2 of the self-mastery arc, regulation. Later in this arc, I'll give you the dictionary for the color shorthand you've been hearing. Episode 6 is where I name it. The references in this episode and back in episode 2 were intentional. I wanted your nervous system to recognize it before your mind tried to debate it. If this is clicking, subscribe. Hi, my name is Reggie Minchin. I'm passionate about personal growth, and over the past 20 plus years, I've invested deeply in continual self-development. The biggest room in my house is room for improvement. If you're new here, the full self-mastery arc is organized into a playlist. Episode 1 is your entry point.